This is how you make a crimp on a hydraulic hose. It shows you what die you use, diameter inside. It's the control switch. Some of the, grab one of these. Then you're going to want to cut you a length of hose. You're going to set the adapter on top, right here on top. And then you're going to take it, put it up under the bottom. Make sure you have the right size die in there. Then you just crimp it down. Let the machine run all the way down to put the crimp on. And then you remove with your newly crimped hose. And it tightens it all the way up around so you don't have any leaks. You just got to make sure you use the right size diameter for the right hose. And your dies look like this. And you see how it pushes in and makes the crimp with all these little pieces. And once you get this done, you can now take this over to your hydraulic line. Well, this is your line, but you take this over to your pump and your cylinder. You can hook them all up, and that's how you would be able to do your hydraulic system. At least do your lines for your hydraulic system with this machine right here. And that's pretty much like a portable unit right there, as long as you got a hydraulic system running to the back of it.